Hello, my name is Yui Jung. I'm currently a sophomore in Seoul International School in South Korea. Blindness is a rapidly growing dilemma in modern society, with blindness rates growing faster than ever. 0.49% of the population is reportedly completely blind, and 5 to 10% of the world population displays some form of color blindness. Simple daily activities such as choosing one's clothes out for the day might be something a non-blind individual could do almost unconsciously. For colorblind or blind individuals, this might be a very stressful experience. In order to counteract this, I propose ChromaFabrics, a mobile app that can scan and recognize the color of a piece of clothing and provide recommendations for the individual in terms of another clothing item in their closet they can wear with the scanned item. The app uses AI technology to also provide and recommend color palettes for the chosen piece of clothing. All app functions are able to be changed from text to speech to accommodate completely blind individuals. Our tagline is "We will be your eyes." Moving forward to the red ocean scenario. This graph represents our competitors who have created apps for individuals with varying degrees of visual impairment. An app named Logastic, an app that gives you clothing recommendations based on your preferences and closet, and an app named Closet, where an individual can scan the tag on their clothing and find information on it. Both are free to use and pretty easily accessible. However, Logastic lags in personalization for the user based on their own information, and Closet has a tendency to give inaccurate results. Both are useful but fall behind on modern technology and fail to give completely independent results for each person. Generally, the market for apps to help with visually impairment are for completely blind individuals. However, there are many untapped customers who could also potentially benefit from an app such as ChromaFabrics. The first tier consists of colorblind or partially blind individuals. Tier 2 consists of healthy individuals with no visual impairment but use technology, such as adults or young teens. Tier 3 consists of individuals who are not in touch with technology at all, such as elderly individuals or young children. The first tier is closest to our current market, while the third is completely disregarded from the pool of people who are generally considered when creating apps for the visually impaired. Even if you can see colors well, ChromaFabrics gives you a color palette recommendation, as well as other combinations of clothes the user could wear out of their closet. This could be useful to normal individuals who struggle to pick out clothes as well. The AI component also engages children as it is a fun mechanic that allows young children to learn about color. The elderly can also benefit from this app as a low level of difficulty makes it user-friendly for people who do not have advanced knowledge on technology. This ERRC grid shows what we strive to achieve and remove from the current industry. We want to eliminate depersonalized recommendations for clothes and random selection. Instead, we want to raise the use of advanced technology and awareness for helping blind individuals. We want to reduce the time for the visually impaired when picking out clothes, and we want to reduce irrelevant recommendations. We want to create an easily accessible app that is also user-friendly. The primary difference between our app and other apps is the addition of AI technology. The ability to scan colors and clothing, as well as auto-generate color recommendations based on the picture of the clothing, is uncommon within the industry. Each recommendation is specific to each person's own preferences. We also added the factor of color theory in order to give recommendations based on science, backed by real research done on colors. Instead of a website, I have decided to make an app. So far, I am set to finish the development of the mobile application by April. This application will be available on most mobile devices. These are some images showing the coding process. This app will be a new step towards using advanced and recent technology for helping marginalized groups live their daily lives in more comfort. There are endless possibilities as to how this app could branch out to help other people with physical and mental disabilities. The making of this app costs nothing, as it is just coding and designing. However, this does not compromise the amount of advanced technology that goes into the making of this app. Although this app is not for profit, it will benefit the lives of real people with no cost. Thank you for listening to my Blue Ocean pitch.